Please be ready for a dictation from a material taken from the Wikipedia on the Chief Justice of India, which can be suitable for DDC, PA skill and any other skill exam. 5 seconds. Start. The Chief Justice of the Republic of India is the head and Chief Judge of the Supreme Court of the Republic of India, as well as the highest ranking officer of the Indian Federal Judiciary. The Constitution of India grants plenary power to the President of India to nominate and, with the advice and consent of the Parliament of India, appoint a Chief Justice who serves until they reach the age of 65, resign, retire, are impeached and convicted, or die. As head of the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice is responsible for the allocation of cases and appointment of constitutional benches which deal with important matters of law. In accordance with Article 145 of the Constitution of India and the Supreme Court Rules of Procedure of 1966, the Chief Justice allocates all work to the other judges who are bound to refer the matter back to him or her for reallocation in any case where they require it to be looked into by a larger bench of more judges. On the administrative side, the Chief Justice carries out the following functions: maintenance of the roster, appointment of court officials, and general and miscellaneous matters relating to the supervision and functioning of the Supreme Court. However, this convention has been broken twice. In 1973, Justice A. N. Ray was appointed, superseding 3 senior judges. Also, in 1977, Justice Mirza Hamidullah Beg was appointed as the CJI, superseding Justice Hansraj Khanna. The present CJI is Justice Sharad Arvind Bobde and is the 47th CJI since 26 January 1950, the year the Constitution came into effect and the Supreme Court came into being. He succeeded Justice Ranjan Gogoi on 18 November 2019 and will remain in office till 23 April 2021, the day he retires on turning 65 years of age. Article 124(4) of Constitution of India lays down the procedure for removal of a judge of Supreme Court, which is applicable to Chief Justices as well. Once appointed, the Chief Justice remains in the office until the age of 65 years. He can be removed only through a process of removal by Parliament as follows. A judge of the Supreme Court shall not be removed from his office except by an order of the President passed after an address by each House of Parliament, supported by a majority of the total membership of that House and by a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members of that House present and voting, has been presented to the President in the same session for such removal on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. The President Discharge of Functions Act 1969 of India provides that the Chief Justice of India shall act as the President of India in the event of the offices of both the President and the Vice President being vacant. When President Zakir Hussain died in office, Vice President V. Giri acted as the President. Later, Mr. Giri resigned as the Vice President. The CJI, Justice Muhammad Hidayatullah, then became the acting President of India. As per the convention, the senior most judge of the Supreme Court became the acting CJI. When the newly elected president took office a month later, Justice Hidayatullah reverted as the Chief Justice of India. Stop.